Good day, everyone. This is your host, Dean Calhoun with Affagility Solutions, and today I'm going to talk about the definition of a potent compound. But before we get started in that, I'd like to give a little bit of background about myself. I'm the president and CEO of Affagility Solutions. Affagility Solutions is located in Broomfield, Colorado, and we provide environmental health and safety services to the biotechnology and pharmaceutical industry. And usually in our online webinars, Dr. Joe Newsma, our senior toxicologist, is usually with us, but in today's brief recorded presentation, he won't be with us. So hopefully you'll get the opportunity to sign up for one of our webinars. You can go to affagility.com and find further information about our webinars. We look forward to having you in the future. So let's go ahead and dive right into the definition of a potent compound. So what exactly is a potent compound? The definition of a potent compound that I like to use is one that was provided to me by a couple colleagues of mine in an email, and they indicated that a potent compound is a pharmacologically active ingredient or intermediate with biological activity at approximately 15 micrograms per kilogram of body weight or below in humans, or a daily therapeutic dose of 1 milligram or below per day. So how much is 1 milligram? Well, the example I always like to use is if you were able to take a package of Sweet and Low that you typically find on the counter at the restaurant, and take that package, empty out the contents, and then chop it up into 1,000 pieces, that would be 1 milligram. So as you can tell, that's not a lot of material. And a potent compound can be an active pharmaceutical or biotechnology ingredient or intermediate with an occupational exposure limit, or OEL, at or below 10 micrograms per cubic meter of air as an 8-hour time-weighted average. So just how much material is that? Well, if you go back to our example of the package of Sweet and Low, and you were to place that in the middle of a room that was 594 feet wide by 594 feet long by 10 foot high, and then you were to take that package of Sweet and Low and evenly disperse it in the air throughout that room, that 1 gram package of Sweet and Low evenly dispersed throughout that room would be equal to a concentration of 10 micrograms per cubic meter of air. So as you can see from this example, that is not a lot of material. A potent compound can also be a pharmacologically active ingredient or intermediate with high selectivity, as in the ability to bind to specific receptors or inhibit specific enzymes, and or it could have the ability or the potential to cause cancer, mutations, developmental effects, or reproductive toxicity at low doses. A potent compound can be also a novel compound of unknown potency and toxicity. This is where very often a lot of discovery compounds get brought into the definition of a potent compound. An important point to mention here is that there is no common definition, and you won't find it in the U.S. Code of Federal Regulations or any other regulation for that matter. In addition, the definition will vary amongst companies, so it's important to keep that in mind. So there you have it. There's the definition of a potent compound. So if you have any further questions, you can call me at the phone number 303-884-3028, or you can email me at dcalhoun@affagility.com. We really look forward to talking to you and answering any further questions that you may have regarding potent compounds, industrial hygiene in the pharmaceutical industry, or go to our website, affagility.com, and you can see lots more information there. Look forward to talking to you and hearing from you in the future.